first time jackfruit.
I never eat this, guys.
Yes. And then
That's my first time.
for the seeds, we're not throwing it because we're gonna cook this as vegetables.
Looks like a piece of cake.
Yes.
I have enough of my gloves. I can't breathe. Mama. Mama again, Janice.
Good afternoon.
Hello
guys, good afternoon.
And Janice again.
And
Just out there video.
enough na. Okay, and today, actually, we have bought jackfruit last week.
Remember
And-
I told you?
Yes, and now it's ripe, so we have to open it up. So please
Please keep on
join
watching.
with us. I have greased this with cooking oil so it doesn't stick from the jackfruit when cutting it. And I'm gonna use gloves as well.
Yeah,
So it
I have
doesn't-
only gloves.
Yeah, so it doesn't stick in my hand because
Yeah.
just so sticky it is. Where's that gloves? We're sitting on the floor, guys.
Here you want?
Yes, sticky juice. No, wait. Bella, just put the knife down. Just have to put our gloves on. And now, it gets ready. Bella's ready as well. She's gonna... No.
Can I just do like this?
Yes. I'm not an expert of cutting. Just...
That is only the expert.
Just leave your hand. Leave your hand, baby.
Just can you do this, please? Please, can you just do like this? I'm not doing anything. Can just do my hands.
Ah, so beautiful.
Oh, I eat this before. It was so nice, guys. You will like it too. Because remember mine? I ate one.
Yes.
Oh, all the juice is coming out.
Leave the knife down. Oh,
Juice is
see?
coming.
looking so pretty.
It smells good.
Smells good?
Smells good.
Yes.
Can I smell? Can I smell? Can I smell?
Let's taste first.
Try to. Try to.
Mmm.
How
Mmm.
How do we?
Very nice.
How do we?
This jackfruit from Bangladesh.
How do we, Mama?
Very nice.
Andy. Andy. Yum.
Mmm. Right? Mmm. Actually, this is Bella's first time jackfruit.
I never eat this, guys.
Yes. And then
That's my first time.
for the seeds, we're not throwing it because we're gonna cook this as vegetables.
Looks like a piece of cake.
Yes.
I have enough of my gloves. I can't breathe. Mama.
Yes.
Sorry. I'll come back. Sorry, guys. I will come back. See you off.
Actually, jackfruit is my favorite, so I will finish this in few days. Not one day, few days. My husband said one day. For the seeds, I'm just gonna cook this.
Something's falling down.
Not so close.
Not too close. We bought her a stamp from IKEA.
Look, you can see, guys, see, stamps, and there's one more. See, there's a ghost one, a heart one, and a dark print one, and a flower, and a sun.
Yes.
There's many kinds. Look. And guys, there's a frog one too. Look.
Guys, this is a very hard work job. A whole jackfruit. I have to do everything all by myself. But actually, my husband is very nice. And he loves me so much that he has to surprise me with whole jackfruit. Actually, my husband bought this actually. He surprised me and he find ways where to get the whole jackfruit because I love jackfruit. So now we're done. So I have 2 bowls here. This is out of 8 kg of jackfruit. So now we're done. And these seeds, I'm gonna put this outside to dry because I'm gonna cook this later. And this jackfruit is from Bangladesh and it's very sweet. I love it. It's worth it. My husband paid for this like around 80 dirhams. Like 80 dirhams, like almost 1,000 pesos for 8 kg. So not bad.
Wait, come put it there. I don't want to do it.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
You go on the other side. You can do the seeds. I love eating the seeds actually. That's why I don't want to throw this. If I'm in Philippines right now, I'm gonna also plant the seeds. But you know, here we have only balcony, so not allowed to plant this because this is quite big trees.
Hey, I want to do that.
You're doing it.
Yeah. But I want you to do that.
So guys,
And
this
sorry
is
for
the
today.
jackfruit I have, and it's very delicious.
And very heavy.
Mm.
And guys, it's very heavy. I can't even carry it. Yeah, the other side.
One more here.
I can't even carry it.
Yes. So guys, that's all for today. And I hope you have enjoyed our simple vlog today with Isabella. And we'll see you to our next one. Bye!